Yes, hi. Once again, good evening. So, another topic that I would like to discuss. Ang tanong po is paano magpalit or mag-update na galing sa motorcycle taxi to car four-seater sa app ng taxi driver. Alright? That is a good question, sir. But definitely, I really don't know where you are right now. So, if you are from Cebu or other city outside Cebu. But I believe, yes, you are from the Philippines, right? So, ayan guys. Paano po ba mag-update sa application? So guys, meron po tayong tinatawag na 5-in-1 application. So if meron po kayong bike, merong motorcycle, merong car, merong truck, and any services na meron po tayo sa system natin is nasa iisang application lang po yan. Okay? If I have to show you somehow sa ating application po, ayan, di ba? Yan siya. So, ito yung mga services na meron tayo. For Cebu, kasi iba din po sa other cities kasi meron silang iba't ibang services. Meron din po silang tricycle, but here in Cebu, we don't have a tricycle. But yes, if you are, wherever you are right now, try to open up your application sa Maxim and try to check what service we can offer for you. Alright? But here in Cebu, we have motorcycle, we have delivery, we also have car. At the same time, we also have car passenger. We also have food. We also have trucks. We also have life. What is life all about? Is it for your laundry that you would like to bring over kung saang laundry shop nyo ipapadala, ipapalaundry? And we also have services in which you are going to carry heavier things that you could not carry out. So, nangangailangan po kayo ng tulong sa ibang mga driver so you can use this service. Ayan po. And since you mentioned that you are a driver, what I can do is I'll be opening my application right now. And ang gawin po natin, sir, sundan nyo lang po ako if nasa video po kayo ngayon. Click lang po na, i-open lang po natin yung ating account. Yan. Medyo blurred kasi light yung ano ko. So, open lang po natin yung account. Once mabuksan natin yung account, sir, dito po is mayroong menu or menu. I don't know, how do you read it in your city? So, it's menu or menu. Menu, diba? Food. So, menu lang ta. Kaya kuan man ni siya. So, sa menu, at the same time, click show profile. It's gonna be your profile. Click lang po natin yung profile natin, sir. And i-click lang po natin si vehicle. Alright. If you can see here sa akin is there are two options. Just in case you will add more truck, you will add more motorcycle, and you will add more vehicle. That's okay. So ang sa atin lang po ngayon, sir, focus po tayo sa concern nyo, paano po siya ipalit. So dito lang po, click lang po tayo dito. Ayan. Ayan. If you have 4 different vehicles at the same time, you can register it sa application. And everyday, iba-iba yung gamit mo. So, i-click lang po kung saan yung vehicle na ginamit mo that is suitable to your current vehicle na ginamit mo once you will be requesting an order. So, I hope nasagot ko yun, guys, ha. So, if you have more questions, you can comment down below. And of course, ikakagala ko po if you will be sharing my video and you will invite more people to follow our Facebook page so they will be aware for our updates. Alright, God bless everyone and thank you.